So I have looked all over the web on how to do an net present value or internal rate of return, um, such abbreviated as NPV and IRR, and I could not find any real good videos to post on how to do this. And after I figured this out, spending several hours doing this myself, I thought, you know what, I need to post a video, and I'm surprised that no one has ever posted a video for this. This really isn't that difficult, and I thought I would post a video. So this is our problem here. Our initial investment is $42,000. Our rate is 10%. Our yearly payments for Project A is $14,000 per year. Now, Project B is we have initial investment of negative $45,000, and the payments for year 1 is $28,000. The payments for year 2 is $12,000. The payments for year 3 is $10,000, and payment 4 is $10,000, and payment 5 is $10,000. So all you want to do is obviously turn my calculator on. Okay, so we're going to start off doing Project A and finding the NPV for Project A using our calculator here. The first step that we want to do is go to Apps on your TI-84, press number 1, and it says Finance. Now you want to scroll down to number 7 where it says NPV. That's your net present value. Now we want to enter the rate, the interest rate, comma, negative 42,000. That's your initial investment, comma, second, open parentheses, the left one, and enter your yearly payment, second, right open parentheses, comma. This is important here. These last two steps are very important. This is going to tell you how many frequencies that you're going to use the 14,000. It's kind of a shortcut. It makes it very, very simple and easy. And this is the part that I could not find anybody doing online, and I thought I would share this because it makes it so much simpler and easier to understand. So we want to hit second again, left open parentheses. Since we have 5 years, we want to do this in 5. We want to press 5, and then second, right open parentheses, and then hit enter. And there is our total. It's very, very simple to do. Now, to find the IRR for this particular project, we would go to Apps, Finance again, scroll down to number 8, and there's your IRR. You want to put in your initial investment, negative 42,000, comma, second, left open parenthesis, 14,000, second, right open parentheses, comma, second. This will tell you again how many frequencies there is, which would be the number of years. Left open parentheses. Since we have 5 years, we'll install 5. and then second, right parentheses, and then press enter. And there we have our parentheses. I would round it, say 19.86%, which that's about normal. So for project B, this is how we would want to do project B. Since project B, the initial investment is, again, negative 45,000, like I've showed you here before. The rate is 10%. The first year is 28,000. The second year is 12,000. The third year, and so on, is 10,000. So to enter this into our calculator, again, we go to Apps, number 1, Finance, scroll down to number 7 for Net Present Value, NPV. The interest rate is 10%. The initial investment is negative 45,000, comma, second, left open parentheses, 28,000, comma, 12,000, comma, 10,000. Second, right open parentheses, comma, second, left open parentheses. Now we want the number of frequencies for each year. So 28,000, there only happens once, so we would press 1. The 12,000 only happens once, so we'd only press 1. And the 10,000 happens 3 times, so we would press 3. And then we would hit second, right open parentheses, and press enter. And you can see the net present value there. Now to find the IRR for project B, we would go to Apps, Finance, number 8. Now we would press negative 45,000 for the initial investment. Second, left open parenthesis, 28,000 is our first year. Our second year is 12,000. Our third year is 10,000. Second, right open parentheses, comma, second, left open parentheses. Again, we'll go through with your frequencies again. Since we only have one year of 28,000, this will be number 1. The next year is only 1 year of 12,000. Oops. I messed up there. I'm going to start this over again. So 12,000 is just 1. 10,000 is 3. Second, right open parentheses, and then press enter. and that's your rate of return for the interest. I would say that's 21.65%, which is that correct? Again, this is very, very simple way to do it. I'm not sure why most teachers don't teach this way, or why there aren't more videos on how to do the frequencies. I just think it makes it much more simple to do this way, and I hope you like this video. Thanks.